with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about my phone cover. This has really been protecting my phone and I've been loving it. Let me tell you why. Cordking design phone case, it has many features I like. First of all, I really appreciate that it's one solid color. I was going for this beautiful pink sand color, but there's other colors as well. The material is silicone, so this makes it super smooth. I really appreciate that it was also wireless charging compatible. That's a plus for me. And I love all the features about this. For example, the area in the camera is raised, so you avoid any scratches or you avoid to break it. I also like that from every angle, it's not bulky. It's like ultra thin, so this fits perfectly on your pocket. Also, the inside has this microfiber lining, so it avoids your phone from being scratched as well. So if you're looking for something that protects your phone, but maybe a different color, then I highly recommend this company. They have a variety of other beautiful colors, and that is my point of view.